Your bank account balance shouldn't feel like a video game score that you can never actually spend. There is a specific kind of sinking feeling you get when a website tells you that you just earned $50 for doing absolutely nothing. We see these platforms popping up every single day. They promise the world. They show you these flashy dashboards. The numbers just keep ticking up. It feels like you finally found that secret shortcut to financial freedom. But then you try to click the withdraw button. That is where the reality of StacksNow starts to fall apart. This site is the perfect example of why we have to stay skeptical. It looks professional. It feels sleek. Yet beneath the surface, it is a maze of red flags. The most obvious one is the effort to reward ratio. Real money requires real work. If a platform says you can get rich by clicking a few buttons or watching a video, your alarm bells should be deafening. These sites often use a referral trap. They tell you that your money is ready. But wait, you need to invite 10 friends first. Then those friends sign up and the goalposts move again. Now you need 20 friends. Or you need to complete high-risk tasks. It is a never-ending cycle designed to keep you trapped on the site. You are essentially doing free marketing for them while they harvest your data. Speaking of data, that is a huge risk here. You are handing over your email and personal details to a company with zero transparency. We have no idea who owns this site. There is no physical address. There is no legitimate customer support team. If something goes wrong, you are shouting into a void. People who have used the site are reporting the same thing over and over. They reach the payout limit and suddenly their account is under review, or the withdrawal requirement doubles overnight. This is not how a legitimate business operates. A real company has clear terms. They have a history of paying out. This site is brand new. It has no track record. It uses fake urgency to make you act before you think. They throw bonuses at you to keep you clicking. They want you to feel like you are missing out on a gold mine. In reality, that gold mine is just a digital mirage. Those numbers on your screen are just pixels. They do not represent actual currency sitting in a vault somewhere. It is easy to get caught up in the excitement. We all want an extra stream of income, but we have to be smarter than the scammers. If a site makes it difficult to get your money out, the value of that site is zero. It does not matter if your dashboard says you have $10,000. If you cannot buy a loaf of bread with it, it is worthless. We need to protect our time and our information. Do not give these platforms the satisfaction of your attention. These sites make their money by showing you ads or selling your contact info to spammers. They have no intention of sharing that profit with you. When you email them for help, you get a canned response, or you get total silence. That silence is the loudest warning sign of all. Account restrictions usually happen right at the finish line. You work for weeks. You hit the goal. Then suddenly you are flagged for suspicious activity. It is a classic move to avoid paying out. Real online earning takes time and effort. It requires a skill or a service. It does not happen by magic on a random website you found on social media. Your time is worth more than chasing a payout that will never arrive. Stay curious and stay cautious out there. Don't let the flashy colors and big promises blind you to the truth of the situation. If it looks too good to be true, it almost certainly is. You deserve better than a digital wallet filled with empty promises. Keep your eyes open for the patterns of deceit and protect your digital footprint.